Hello, my name is Philip. I'm the founder of Makersuite and welcome to our application. I want to show you around and tell you a little bit about what you can expect from our application. So when you log in, you obviously end up on the home screen. The application is organized in a very simple way. There's a couple of things you can do and that Makersuite can help you do. First of all, it is doing research, right? So Makersuite is a research tool that helps you with all your video projects, especially with video pre-production. It helps you to understand your competition, what other people have, what other content people have created about a certain topic that you want to also create a content piece about. And Makersuite does this research in a couple of seconds. And we then analyze a lot of data, and we take this information and this data and we help you create storylines, outlines, and scripts from that data. The research happens on two levels: the macro level, which is research reports and explorations, which you can enter from the starter research tile. And then the microanalyzer, or microanalysis, which is basically a video analyzer, and you can take any YouTube URL and copy paste it into this video analysis only about this video. For the research report, the range is between 150 to 350 videos that are being analyzed at the same time. So in Makersuite, obviously, research is a very big aspect of it, but then you want to turn this research into projects, and projects are essentially scripts. The way each project works is very simple. You have an overview view of each of your projects with a state of your project with some general information. You can add tasks to each project. You can add external resources, and in the future, when we will have multi-user access integrated, you can also give the users in your team different access rights, and then people in your team can do different things within a project. After the overview screen, you have the briefing screen. This is the screen where you brief the AI, the Makersuite AI, to create an outline and a script for you. You can provide some context, choose a storytelling framework, and define your style. I will go into a much more detail in a separate video about this. Then an outline is generated for this project or script, and then from this outline a script is generated, and then you have publishing information with a description, title ideas, tags that you could be using. We also have an SEO analysis tool at the bottom that helps you optimize your title and your description for SEO analysis. And then what we also have is we have a notes section, which essentially allows you to make some notes during the research phase of your project, and you can highlight certain things, save them in the notes section, and then when you create a new script, you can take these data points into the script writing process. You will find all your notes in the notes section on the sidebar of the menu as well. And you can delete them, you can move them around, whatever you want to do. You can also add new notes. They don't always have to come from research reports. You can also add your own notes that you want to write down, maybe an idea or a concept for a future video. So yeah, this is basically your pin board where you keep everything. And then we also have an idea section. In the idea section, so every time you create something or you do a research in a research report, we give you recommendations for new ideas. And you can save those ideas in the idea section. And then you can basically create this backlog of new ideas for the future. And if you need a new content piece for the next week or for the next month, you can go into this section and get some inspiration for your own content piece. Obviously, we then also have some other sections you can enter. So for example, a little overview that tells you everything about your profile and how much of your allowance or limits you have used during that month. You can chat with us through the chat function. And yeah, if you want to leave us a message, we are always there for you. We have a little notification center in case we are doing some things on the back end or front end, and maybe we take down the application for like 5 minutes, or we have a bug that we need to fix. You will get a notification here, so you know exactly what's going on. And then in the settings menu, obviously you have your profile information, you have some interface information, then some information about the different models that are included in Makersuite. You can choose the default model here. You can choose your default language, and then you can also manage all the tags that you use to sort your projects and your research reports, aka explorations. And then obviously you can manage your subscription plan here as well. And yeah, that pretty much concludes everything in Makersuite for now. Obviously, we have also a video tour here. We have some helpful links here. We have YouTube tutorials that you can watch. We also have a Discord community that you can connect to by pressing the join button here. On Discord, we basically put out information about the development of Makersuite on almost a weekly or bi-weekly basis. And then, we also have a public roadmap. So if you have ideas for features that you want us to work on, this is the place to go. You can write some things here, and then maybe people will upvote your idea, and the points that are at the top of this list when developing the next features. So I hope this helps you getting started with the application. And you will find other tutorials on our YouTube channel explaining exactly how the research works, the script writing, and the video analyzer. And yeah, I'm really looking forward and hope you enjoy the application, and see you in the next tutorial.